What you need to know about hydration while exercising. First of all, while we are physically active, our heart and lungs are increasing the function and capacity. But our stomach and kidneys are reducing the function and capacity, or we can say shrinking. Second thing, while we are hydrating ourselves during physical activity, we need to use very small and short sips. Because, as we said, stomach is shrinking and kidneys are shrinking. If we're drinking more than enough, we can create a lot of pressure on our digestive system and our kidneys. And third, the best way how to hydrate yourself while training or physical activity is while sitting. Why? There's many reasons, and the most important one is that way we are protecting our digestive system, our kidneys, and also our joints. If we are eating while sitting, why we should not drink water or hydrate ourselves by sitting as well? To find out more, read our caption here.